Hello fans of gift and food and baking. Today I'm going to share with you the most popular Sudanese Dakwa dip, which is a super yummy peanut butter crunchy chili dip. For this popular Sudanese dip, a Dakwa Sudaniya, I will use 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. You will also need a bunch of fresh green chilies, or you can add as well red chilies. With the chilies, I will add 1 medium tomato. I will take off the stem from the top and slice it into small pieces. For this dakwa, I will add 3 cloves of garlic. You can reduce or add more. To give it the sweet and tangy taste, I will squeeze 1 whole lime, but you can use 1 lemon. To balance it all, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. This is the most simple with less ingredients, easy dip, so all you need to do, mix it in a mini chopper or you can use a hand blender. Blend all your ingredients together until they are mini chopped, but don't smooth it too fine. Now you can add 2 tablespoons of the crunchy peanut butter and just mix it to combine. Again, blend for a couple of seconds just to combine, but do not mash it as a paste. This dakwa chili dip should have a texture and body to it. Simply, the dakwa dip is ready to be served, and as you can see, it has a body and texture plus the crunchy bit from the peanut butter. Sudanese chili dakwa dip is the most popular dip and is served with many dishes. Personally, my favorite complimentary dish with this heated dakwa is the Sudanese falafel, a طعمية سودانية. And this is not any falafel, this is my mom's recipe of falafel made from chickpeas and sesame seed. It's so crunchy when you dip it into that dakwa dip. And to take off the heat, you need something to cool it down. And I've got here lime and mint juice, super yummy. Thank you very much for watching this video this time. For more Sudanese, African or other recipes, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Gift of Food and Baking. Until I see you for the next recipe. Bye bye.